Hi, everybody. This is Pat the Leather Lady LLC, and I'm here just to say thank you. Thank you so much for your support on my channel and also my website. I appreciate it deeply. It means so much. Everything that I can do for you guys, I love doing it. I love teaching, and I hope you're learning something from it. If you've gone to my website and purchased products or services, thank you so much for your support. I am starting some memberships, so if you want to go on that, there's some memberships on my YouTube channel and also my website. But this is just to say thank you. I appreciate your time, your effort, because time is very precious. And I hope to see you in a class or in one of my memberships. Thank you again, guys. It means a ton. And don't forget to walk in absolute truth and love. Take care now.